Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. Dear students, in this class I am going to show you how to represent irrational numbers on the number line. This is very important from the point of examination, and definitely this kind of problem will be there in the examination. Hence, learn and practice very well. Before going to locate irrational numbers on the number line, first let me tell you what are all the materials required for this. You need ruler, compass, pencil, eraser. Now let us start the class, children. Locate root 2 on the number line. Here, as you know that root 2 is irrational number. Now let us learn how to locate this root 2 on the number line. So for that, first take a ruler and draw a line with suitable length. There is no any restriction that you have to draw this much length of the line. It is your wish. You can draw convenient length of line. I'll show you again, children. So just like this. And next, locate points on the number line with equal distance. It means from this point to this point, how much distance will be there. For the remaining points also, they should be same distance. You have to mark the points like that, and then give the numbers for that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and left of the 0 -1, -2, -3, -4. And there is no rule that you have to take up to 4 itself. It is also left to your wish. So after marking the points, again take a ruler and draw a perpendicular line just like this. I show you again, children, just like this. After that, take a compass. Before that, you mark this point as 0, this point as A. Next, take a compass and take 1 centimeter of radius. Children, don't change the radius until your construction get close. You have to take 1 centimeter of radius by using your compass and ruler. After that, the needle of the compass you have to keep on A. Just look at where I kept. I kept at A. So that as center, cut an arc like that. Children, I remind you again, take 1 centimeter of radius. So after constructing the arc, now this point you have to call it as B. Now join O to B. Next, again take a compass and take the distance of OB. This is very important. Carefully observe and understand well. Now you are taking distance of OB, this distance. So from O to B, this point, how much distance will be there? Take so much of distance, and this O as center, cut one arc just like this. I show you again, children. Take OB as radius. I mean, how much distance will be there? OB. Take so much distance as radius, and O as center. Now cut one arc like that. That arc has to intersect this number line at this point. Somewhere it has to intersect the number line, children. So that point you call it as D. Now this OD only gives, I mean, the distance from this 0 to this point will be the representation of root 2. Children, I hope you have got it. So after that, you just name of the measurement. So this is 1 centimeter we have taken, and this is also 1 centimeter. So this will be automatically root 2. So just mention here root 2. So this is the way of constructing root 2 on the number line. Okay, in the next slide, we are going to locate root 5 on the number line. So in that case, I am not taking ruler and all. I am explaining in direct method. I hope you will understand. So locate root 5 on number line. Remember the points what we followed in the last slide. First, we have taken a ruler and pencil and we have drawn a convenient length of line. Next, you have to mark numbers on the number line. It means equal markings. So after markings, locate the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and left of the 0 minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Next, we have to draw a perpendicular line at 2. See, at 2 we have to draw, children. This is only the one small difference we can see for root 2 and root 5. When we were constructed root 2, at 1 we have drawn perpendicular line just like this. But here we are going to construct at 2. And this is only the difference we can see between root 2 and root 5. And remaining all will be same. So draw a perpendicular line at 2 by using your ruler and pencil. Next, take a compass and take 1 centimeter as radius. So before that, this you call it as O and this you call it as O, children. I mean, this is A. Now take 1 centimeter as radius and A as center, means compass one needle you have to place at A. Now cut one arc on this perpendicular line just like this. Now this point you call it as B, and now I hope you got it what you want to do because we did it in the last slide. Now join O and B. Now again take compass, children. Now take the distance of O to B and O as center, means compass needle you have to place it on O and cut one arc like that, and this arc should intersect this line at this point. So give a name for that point. I am giving it as D. Now from this point to this, means from O to D, otherwise 0 to this point, what will be that? That will be the length of root 5. So just mention that like this. So this is the length of root 5 and give the measurements here. So this we have taken it as 1 centimeter and this is the 2 centimeter, hence it will be root 5. Dear students, I hope you have understood how to construct root 2 and root 5, and this is very important from the point of examination. So practice very well. Thank you.